Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's me, your girl Antoria. Today I'm back with another video. Today I'm just going to be showing y'all how you can install your wig with no braids. Yes, in 5 minutes. And as y'all can see, I have no braids and my wig is looking good. So stay tuned, you don't want to miss it. Okay y'all, let's just jump right in. So to install your wig with no braids, I'm going to just show y'all what I do. I basically just put my hair back into a very low, sleek ponytail. It's not really sleek, but I will mention that I did flat iron my hair previously. And also I am relaxed, so that do kind of help my hair lay flat. However, if you're not relaxed, if you're like natural, you need to make sure you flat iron your hair. Or if you can at least get it to be sleek, if you use some kind of gel or whatever you use to get your hair as sleek as possible. The only thing that really matters is that you can get your hair into a flat ponytail. Now if your hair is really long, you can actually do 2 low back ponytails and you can braid the ends and then pin it up, and you can do that. But if you can get your hair as sleek as possible, go ahead and do a low back ponytail. Right now, I'm just going ahead and putting on the wig. I am gonna go back with my freeze spray and like push my edges back, because you want to protect your natural edges. You don't want to like lay your wig directly onto your edges. So just sleek your edges back and lay your wig just slightly above, or whatever your preference is. Just make sure it's above your hairline. Also, I did want to mention, you see me talking in a video, but I decided to just do a voiceover so I can make this video quick, because if I would have just kept it at the speed it was, we would have been here 20 minutes with me just showing y'all how I put on this wig in 5 minutes, because I did a talk through. So y'all welcome. I just sped up the video and I'm doing a talk through to save y'all time out y'all day. I know y'all time is valuable and y'all don't like watching them long videos, so here you go. Okay, so what I did to lay my wig down, I just used a freeze spray and laid the wig down. I blow dried it a little bit. And now I'm just doing my baby hairs. To do your baby hairs, you can use any kind of hairspray. I actually ran out of freeze spray, so I started using my spritz. So to do my baby hairs now, thanks to Tay, I just sprayed my edge brush with my hairspray. And basically I just use like the comb and the little brush on there, and I just keep messing with it, like keep swooping it until I get it how I want it, pretty much. So baby hairs, you just gotta do it until you get it the way you like it. Some people like natural, some people like no baby hairs, some people like dramatic. I think mine's kind of dramatic, but it's still kind of natural looking. I don't even know if that makes sense, but yeah, just keep doing your baby hairs till you get them how you want them. And that's pretty much all I do to install my wig in 5 minutes. So yeah, that's it. I hope y'all learned something. If you learned something new, or if this video brought you any kind of value, leave a big thumbs up, you guys. Leave a big thumbs up, because when y'all thumbs up my video, YouTube recommend my video to other people. So help me help you and help other people by clicking the thumbs up, y'all. Okay y'all, so that pretty much wraps this video up. I hope you guys learned a lot, and this is the final outcome. So your girl is looking good. Let me show y'all the. And so yes y'all, I hope y'all learned something. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Hit the notification bell when you subscribe, or if you already subscribed, don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you can get a notification every time I upload a video. Okay y'all, thank y'all so much for watching. I'll see y'all in my next one. Bye.